morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, today I got another review for you guys, and it is the Supreme bicycle card. Okay, let's go. Okay, as you can see, these are some nice Supreme bicycle cards. They are a collaboration with Supreme and Bicycle. Let's open these ones. Oh my god, this one is a tight. Here we are. And as you can see, these cards are very nice. They are see-through, and you have the joker on the back. My packet is still sealed because these have some good 2-2 resale value, and I don't want to open it and destroy the resale value. But as you can see, the cards are actually see-through, and this is the joker, and you had the Supreme logo there, and you have the Supreme logo there, and you have a nice design. Yeah, I'm going to do a new series where I'm gonna do a lot of Supreme accessory reviews. So if you want to see that, then please like, subscribe, and I'm going to do a lot more of these Supreme accessories reviews. So this was just a quick one for the bicycle cards. I have some more other Supreme card decks that I will show you, some old ones. I will have some more accessories. Yes, as always guys, if you like what you see, then please subscribe, like the video, and then as always, bye.